In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up phone numbers in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a brand new phone number added to your account so you can make calls and send texts directly from your workspace. Before we start, make sure you're logged in with the right permissions and that your billing method is set up. Some countries also require basic business verification for messaging, so keep that in mind as you choose your number. From your GoHighLevel dashboard, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings. This is your control room for everything account related, and it's where the phone tools live. Inside Settings, choose Phone System. Here, you'll manage existing numbers, call and SMS capabilities, and usage details. If you don't see the phone system option, you may need an admin to grant access. Next, select Add Number. This opens the number purchasing flow. You'll likely see a quick prompt or an additional Add Phone Number button to continue, so go ahead and click that to move forward. Now, you'll be asked to pick a country. Selecting the correct country ensures you get the right formats, pricing, and features that are supported in that region. For certain locations, there may be regulatory requirements for business information before texting is enabled, but you can proceed with the purchase and complete any needed verification afterward. Once the country is set, browse or search for the number that best fits your needs. If you serve a specific city, a local area code can boost answer rates and trust. If you market nationally, a toll-free numbers may be a better fit. Pay attention to the capabilities listed next to each option. If you plan to run SMS campaigns, choose a number that supports texting and ideally MMS if you send images. If your first search returns limited choices, try a nearby area code or a broader location filter. When you found the right fit, click Proceed to Buy. You'll see a confirmation of the monthly cost and any per minute or per message rates. Confirm your purchase, and the number will be added to your account. After it appears under your managed numbers, you can configure call handling, voicemail, and assign the number to users or automations within your workflows. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If purchase fails, double check your payment method and make sure any required compliance details are completed. And once the number is live, place a brief test call and send a test text to confirm audio quality and messaging deliverability. That's it. Your new GoHighLevel number is ready to go.